Early in the morning, you woke up in what? Somewhere.
If you are not running with time, then time is running with you. You want people to see me inside this vehicle? Eh? I'd rather trek. It's very beneficial to my health.
Nze, leave this woman now. This woman is too old for you.
To God who made me and you, that girl is not old.
Shut up!
Whose husband? This one, somebody's husband. He stole the 200,000 government gave me.
As I'm talking to you here, I have copious of files piled up for me. And the devil.
Do you know what it took me to convince her to come here to marry me?
Who do you call again?
I can't wait to start flying everywhere. Nigeria, Dubai, London, US, India.
You are nothing but a fool. In fact, compound fool.
Environment fool.
I'm SSS actually.
You will police.
She's just being jealous.
Baby Mel.
Oh, para-adventure.
Paragini.
You told me
that's nonsense.
I came to thank you for accepting to attend the wedding. My mother told me everything. At least if not for any other thing, for the sake of the child she's carrying for me. Thank you very much. I don't know, my baby girl is sewing different kinds of be clothes, different colors. I don't know if you want me to get it.
Thank you.
You are okay?
I'm okay.
What's this? What is this?
The supervisor, this is fufu, akpu in our Igbo languages.
What is akpu? It looks disgusting. I can't eat. I just can't eat this rubbish. KFC or McDonald's? No, I can't.
It's KFC.
KFC. Kentucky. No, I can't say that.
KFC. You can take him on now here. Let's KFC. KFC.
KFC. This is KFC.
Get that cham better go.
You're mad. Kentucky Fried Corn.
Let me slice oranges for you.
This is green, not orange.
What do you want?
I want some real food, some KFC, McDonald's, some oranges.
You should get better than this here.
Where am I? What am I? This is Kentucky Fried Corn.
Huh? And what is this? Huh? Huh? What are these things? Huh? Who brought these things? Huh?
Madam.
For what? For what? Madam. For what? Huh? Madam, you brought this to entice us or to buy us over? Do we in any way look like people you can buy over because you want to marry my nephew? Huh? Madam, please, leave this place right now. Get out! Out! Get out! Just go! Go! Go and look for somebody as old as you are to get married and stop deceiving this young man. Just go! Go! Get out! And don't you ever come back here again. Don't you ever. Hey, you don't an old, a little boy like this. They're going to go an old one, not a
told you one day to complain everything. Oh, yeah.
Uncle, why now, eh? Why do you have to chase her away? Do you know what it took me to convince her to come here to marry me?
Who do you call a girl? This old woman you call a girl?
Uncle, she's not old. She's my girl.
Yeah, you go here also. Tell you this idiot.
She may be big in size, but she's young at heart. That is the nature of their family. Eh? Now you've chased her away. Do you know what she promised to do for me? A girl who promised to give me land, cars, and bring down this house. And build a better one.
Who told you what this house is for?
Hey!
Who told you that we want this house is for? Now, I don't want to see that again. See, oh, that woman here again.
I must marry her. If I didn't marry her, I would die.
Don't say to idiot. Now, Babu,
What is this? What am I seeing? I'm surprised.
Why the surprise? That I cannot be pregnant or that I'm too old to be pregnant or something.
That's not what I meant to.
But what?
What I'm trying to say is that you are not supposed to be pregnant out of wedlock, and you're pregnant. That's all. After all, I'm not God that gives children.
Oh, thank God you are not. Anyway, if you may know, Nze, my cute guy, he is responsible.
Oh, Nze.
And if you see the way they pamper me now, oh my God. Like,
Okay, what about the plans of getting married to him? Did the parents agree to it?
that one is still on the pipeline. Don't worry. All you need to do is just get ready with those your co-workers. Get ready for their shabby thing. Because I'm going to do what nobody ever did.
Dora,
That very day will be too much.
I can't wait.
That day will be too... They will know that Dorothy is doing something.
This one your madam is still standing alone till now. I hope all is well.
You mean she did not tell you?
Tell me what?
She's pregnant for that small boy, Nze.
It's a lie.
Don't shout it though. I know how she is.
Hey! Won't that shall never end? How is that possible?
My sister, I asked her the same question. I just pray it's true that boy will even eventually marry her.
At least.
What is the problem? Talk to me. What is it? What is the problem? What's wrong with you?
I need to excuse you people.
Okay, talk to me. She's gone. She's gone, okay? Okay, talk to me. What happened?
This is my mother.
What happened to your mother? Is she sick?
She said she will never live to see me get married to you.
Was that what she said? Is that why you're crying? No, you will marry me. There are no two ways to that. Did she chase you out of the house?
Yes, she did. Yes.
She chased you out of the house because of me.
Yes, baby.
Don't worry. I know what to do. Baby, come to me. Come to me, you're all mine, okay?
Yes, ma.
Baby!
Ma.
It's okay. Oh, stop crying. Stop crying.
Yes, ma.
Baby boy!
Ma.
He's well.
Is that corn?
Plantation corn.
Very beautiful.
Yes.
Maybe I cross it.
Alright. See that one.
Maybe go back to your there. Maybe she's getting old. And maybe she's desperate to get married.
Please, let's go. You can't buy those people that stand talking of those sitting down. Hope they don't for talking not.
It's like you want to marry for even now, Abby.
Oh, you not like any mama. Who does not like good thing?
Oh. So all this one we have been doing is now what, man?
Friendship.
Friendship. You do get friendship. I don't want to do that.
I'm not even important. Now, what are you going to big in and name? You go back and say, because I can love her. Because what are you on? Keep me able. Okay.
Mama, she's been feeling sick. I don't know what is wrong with her. She's very weak. Right from her house, she's been vomiting. You know? So I decided to bring her here so that you help me look after her.
Oh yeah? Mama, take care of Agadi one Ibem. Has she?
I'm sorry.
Has she been to the hospital?
From the look of things, Mama, I think she's pregnant. Yes.
Good for yourself. Is she truly pregnant?
All the time now. I want to tell you her back all the time. In fact, all day I'm sick.
Hey! Go.
Baby!
There.
Eugene.
Sir?
I've heard what you said.
Yes, sir.
Since before, you said she's pregnant, isn't it?
And
you're very sure.
That
woman might be desperate. You're very sure.
She's pregnant.
Good. It is said that you do not visit the anger of a mother and a child.
Yes, sir.
I will come.
Hey.
Let him go ahead and marry her.
They thank you, sir. Tell them the thanks, sir.
I'm not.
When are you going to marry?
You know how much I love my wife. Okay? I'm not done mourning her.
But will you mourn her for the rest of your life? How can I come for a money and
It's okay. It's alright. When I'm bringing her to you.
They are my thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir. Hey. But why you not about it? I will look at one eight. They are my dear years ago.
I can't go further. This is called Ojabra. Say it.
Osha brag bra bra.
Oja abra.
Osha abrag bra bra.
Just forget it.
So what does it mean?
It means bush of oracle. That is what it means. Nobody enters there. Nobody except great native doctors of our land.
Why?
I don't know why people don't enter there, but when they enter, they tell them the secret of our lands and how to government our peoples.
Maybe I could meet them, make them my friends. Then when I go back to my country, I can tell all my country people about them.
Then when I want to have friend and friend. I'm gonna. But adventure isn't a dronga. No real amount of meeting. Tete.
What you say?
Oh, please. I said you are a good friend of our ancestors, but you cannot enter there. It is only Ezemo that can enter there.
Come on, let's go.
No, don't go there. You want to put me into trouble. Let's go there.
Very soon, if any of you want to address me, you will address me as Mr. and Mrs. Awesome Zerido, aka Mba. Point of correction. Mrs. and Mr. Dorothy. Because your name is silent, she's the one marrying you. Shut up. Shut up. You're becoming something like this village. Must you see these transfers? Don't you have a investment? Huh? I will not blame you. I know your problem. I know you're just being jealous. Because you know that very, very soon I will start swimming in money. Just like our friend Alexis said. I'll be here to attack a crack. I'll be now from the post. Only I know them tell you, make you fat. Not even these women around this village. The white woman that will come and even spend on me. And they got now. What if what you just said backfires to me? Both of you. What is your business?
Hey, why your mama? This one that you dress like this, where are you heading to?
Your father's house, of course.
And where are you going to? I'm going to the same venue.
To our father's house, of course.
Are you not in this village? How can you be going to her house? She's the one that arranged the whole wedding. Nze is just there to play the role of a man. So she's the one marrying the man, so not the other way around.
How would that be possible? Where has this been happened before?
There must be a first time now. It's happening in our community today. So let's go there. Me, I can't wait to see a small boy getting married to an old. Let's go, John.
gị ọmalịcha m nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi na chimela anyị okwu
ọmalịcha m mụ na gị ga-ebi o nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi o chimela anyị okwu
nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi ọmalịcha m nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi na chimela anyị okwu
emelu m ala ọ bụ mụ na gị o nwunye m ọma o mụ na gị ga-ebi o asị m mụ na gị ga-ebi o mụ na gị ga-ebi o mụ na gị ga-aka nka na ahụrụ m gị n'anya o
nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi ọmalịcha m nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi na chimela anyị okwu
o nwere onye ga-emere m ihe ị na-eme onye ga-ele m otu isi ele m anya o onye ga-elere m ụmụ m otu isi ele mụ na gị ga-ebi o ọ bụ mụ na gị ga-ebi o nwaanyị m pụrụ n'anya mụ na gị ga-ebi o chi mere anyị ofu o
nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi ọmalịcha m nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi na chimela anyị okwu nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi ọmalịcha m nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi na chimela anyị okwu
eri oge mụ na gị siri biri otisiele m n'ọdị m obi m mma otisiele m mụ nọ na-asọ m nsọ dị m onye m fụrụ n'anya ebere m bụ chi m gọzie gị ụtụtụ n'abalị o si n'obi m maka na afụrụ m gị n'anya ime mụ na gị ga-ebi ezi dị m mụ na gị ga-ebi maka chi mere anyị ofu
ọmalịcha m mụ na gị ga-ebi o nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi o chi mere anyị ofu o
nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi ọmalịcha m nwunye m mụ na gị ga-ebi na chimela anyị okwu
ime mụ na gị ga-ebi onye kwụrụ ụgwọ isi m
Whatever you tell me, I will obey.
Whatever I tell you, whatever I tell you, you will do.
Why not?
So if I ask you to come home for prayers this night, you will come.
I'm not a learner. As long as there is money, I will gladly come. Even if you want me to do the prayer overnight, I will gladly do it. As long as there is money.
God, don't move. Oh, they get out of your bad. Oh, they are kind of large. These are the kind of things I like, you know? You know what? Please, when you're coming to work, make sure nobody sees you. Oh, yeah, you may have me.
You don't have a problem. Don't worry about it. What can we do to do? Hey.
Nze, go inside that room.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get inside that room.
I'm not going anywhere.
Nze, go inside.
Do you want to kill me? See what we started since 8 p.m. It's already 2 a.m. and you still want me to continue. It's your problem.
Obalaina Goyago, Nze, Go inside. Nze, go inside.
Me, I'm not going anywhere.
You are not going anywhere. Inside.
I'm not going
Nze, go inside.
I'm not going anywhere.
Nze, go inside.
I'm not going
You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere.
Okay, no problem. Will I die because I marry you? You want to suck all my blood? Finish. They do. He said I will sleep outside.
Evil spirits?
Yes, I see them in my dream. In my dreams. They said they would kill me. They will kill me and I will die. But if I hold the body of a white man and the white man hold me, I will not die.
I tell you, where's these damn evil spirits? Let me kill them all. Let me kill them all.
Didn't you hear what I said? I said that I should hold the body of a white man. This is killing.
Yeah, get off, you prick. You're just having a bad dream. Go back to sleep. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. Sleep. You're just having a bad dream, you crazy woman. Let me go to sleep.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.